Top 5 Best Electric Dynamic Crimping Machine in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best electric dynamic crimping machine? If you received a new electric dynamic crimping machine, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best electric dynamic crimping machines on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The AM10 Terminal Crimper is a high-performance automatic crimping tool designed for efficient cable and terminal connections. It is powered by an electric dynamic system with pneumatic assistance, ensuring fast and precise crimping. Ideal for electrical, automotive, and industrial use, it delivers consistent pressure and accuracy, reducing errors and improving work efficiency. Made with high-quality materials, it is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle and transport. It's Number 2. The Vever 71500 Hydraulic Hose Crimper is a professional air conditioning repair tool set designed for durability and precision. It features a durable steel body and aluminum alloy crimp dies, with multiple die sizes for various hose applications. Equipped with a hand-operated aluminum pump, it provides a maximum output pressure of 700 kg per square centimeter for precise crimps. The tool is compact and lightweight, with a 6.4 kg gross weight and a 43 by 25 by 12 cm package size. Its damper hardness of 53 HRCN. Number 3. The YQ02A Electric Dynamic Crimper is a versatile pneumatic terminal crimping machine designed for electronic applications. It features a 60W motor with a speed of 50 RPM, supports AC 220V/AC 110V power input, and is built for cold pressing terminal crimping, ensuring strong wire connections. It is ideal for male-to-male terminal connections and has a 4 mm jaw width for secure crimping. The machine weighs 12 kg and is compact, weighing 236 by 218 by 290 mm, made in mainland China. It meets CEC. Number 4. The Electric Dynamic Crimping Machine is a low-noise, precision-driven tool designed for cold-pressing terminal connections. It is ideal for quiet working environments and is customizable for various applications. This machine is perfect for DIY electrical projects and professional wiring tasks. It ensures strong, reliable crimps, improving connection durability and safety. The compact and easy-to-operate machine reduces manual effort and increases productivity. Manufactured in mainland. Ability and precision. It features a durable steel body and aluminum alloy crimp dies, with multiple die sizes for various hose applications. Equipped with a hand-operated aluminum pump, it provides a maximum. Number 5. The AM10 Electric Dynamic Crimping Machine is a versatile tool designed for cold-pressing terminal connections. It features a pneumatic end crimping system for fast and precise operation, operates within an air pressure range of 0.5-0.7 MPa, and provides a maximum output of 1.3 T for strong and secure crimps. It supports a crimping range of non-insulated terminals up to less than or equal to 10 mm superscript 2 and has a compact and lightweight design. Manufactured in mainland China by Yunlin, it is ideal for electrical. 12 cm package size. Its damper hardness of 53 HRCN. Thanks for watching the video.